Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'm going to continue talking about credit card management. Today's segment is how we're scored regarding credit card balances. So, with credit cards, again referred to as revolving accounts, we are scored on a percentage of the limit we're using as a balance. This is referred to as debt utilization percentage. What percent of the individual limits we're using as a balance? Now, of course, you always want to keep low balances in your credit cards. Just to make it simple, if your balances are not low, that's not good. But regarding the percentage, generally you want to keep your individual credit card balances less than 30% of whatever the limit is, and the lower the percentage, the better. 20% is better than 30%, 10% is better than 20%, and to earn the most positive points for your credit cards, you want to be in the 5 to 10%, really 5 to 9% debt utilization percentage. Some minimal percentage or balance other than zero. And a common question I get is, hey, AK, is it better to pay off my credit cards to zero or leave a little on it? If you're trying to capture the highest possible credit score, leave a little on it. And there's nothing wrong with paying off your credit cards to zero. However, again, if you're trying to capture the highest possible credit score to earn the most positive points for your credit card trade lines, you want to report some minimal balance or percentage other than zero. Again, 5 to 9% is where you're going to earn the most positive points. Now you're actually earning additional positive points for actual usage, or we call spending activity. If you're constantly reporting a zero balance, you're not getting points for usage because you have a zero balance. If you're reporting some minimal percentage or balance other than zero, now you're earning additional positive points for that credit card trade line. If you have credit cards you haven't used in a long time, go use them. Make a small purchase, put a little on it. If you don't use credit card accounts for quite some time, they kind of become a little, I don't want to say dormant, but a little dormant, and if you use them and allow a little balance to report, now you kind of rejuvenate those older trade lines, again adding additional positive points to your credit score. More to come. Talk soon.